Hello and welcome back to our channel, The Running Bulls. Let's see, tomorrow is a weekly expiry where we can trade and how we can trade in this market. So first of all, we're gonna see the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is running. Let's see the Bank Nifty resistance and supports. And remember, before trading, do consult your financial advisor. So there is a huge resistance of 36,800 and 36,700. This is a huge resistance. Probably we are taking a bullish view here because the global markets are trading at high. The US market Dow Jones and Nasdaq has opened high and they are trading at the higher range. At below, if we can see the 35,000, it has made a huge support. So for example, if I show you, see, multiple time it has tested ups and downs and ups and downs. So probably this is a huge support area. So for tomorrow trade, if you are on less risk side, you can probably shorting this side. I'll let you know how to trade in this change market. Let's first of all see why we are taking a bullish view. We are taking a bullish view because it was trading. Let's see, I'll show you. It was trading in a zone, and whenever these kinds of zone bottom out, a sharp rally resumes. So if the market resumes, that's what we are taking an assumption over here, the market will open above at least 1%. So if it opens and a 15-minute candle closes above this level, you have to take time and let the candle be made. So a green candle should be made above this, then only you can trade on this setup. So what you have to do, you have to short a 36,200 PE and buy two lots of 35,000. I'll let you know how much. Let's see how much margin is required in this. So here in this case, shorting a 36,200 PE and buying two lots of 35,000 will give you a margin benefits, and you will be required only 35,000. It is showing about 31,000, but you should have at least 35,000 to trade in this setup. Remember guys, you have to take time and let the market decide where this side is going. If it opens above this and make a 15-minute green candle, then only you should take this position, and do consult your financial advisor before taking any position, as I am not a SEBI registered analyst. Let's move to the Nifty. Nifty is having a huge resistance at 17,200 and a good support around 17,000 levels. Remember guys, 17,000 is a psychological, a round figure, and psychological support also. It has been multiple time being tested. So what you have to do, you just have to trade in which manner? 17,200 PE one lot short and 16,200 PE two lot buy. Simple view. You just have to wait for the candle, 15-minute candle, to make above this channel, and then only you should decide it. Your stop loss will be today's day closing. Remember, never take a too much risk. Do consult your financial advisor, and the proper management of the funds, risk management, will be your key point. So if you like the video, do share and comment in the video. Let's see how much margin is required to trade in Nifty. So to trade in Nifty, you will be requiring around 70k. That's it, because we are taking a huge difference between the put selling side and the buying side. Also, you can take a 16,000 PE. Let's see, 16,500 PE. If we buy two lots, how much margin will be required? So if you take a 16,000 PE, 16,500 PE, it will be around 45,000. So you can take according to your convenience. And remember, Nifty is always a low risk, low rewarding, and Bank Nifty is high risk, high rewarding. So do consult your financial advisor and take a trade. If you like the video, definitely don't forget to like and share, and please subscribe my channel and give us a support to our team and us.